Getting denied for a credit card hurts your credit score and your confidence. But here's the truth. Banks don't randomly approve people. And today, I'll show you exactly how to get approved for almost any credit card in the US. Whether you want a card from Chase, American Express, Capital One, or Bank of America, the approval process works the same way. If you follow these steps, your odds go way up. Step 1. Know your credit score. Before applying, check your FICO score. Most banks use FICO, not just a random credit app score. 750i plus are excellent, approved for premium cards. 700, 749 are very good. 670, 699 are good. Below 670 are you need strategy. If your score is under 670, don't apply blindly. You'll likely get denied. Step 2, lower your credit utilization. This is huge. Keep your credit usage under 30%, ideally under 10%. If your limit is $1,000, keep your balance below $300, better yet below $100. High utilization makes you look risky, even if you pay on time. Step 3, clean up recent hard inquiries. Every time you apply, you get a hard inquiry. Too many in 6 to 12 months are red flag. Space applications at least 3 to 6 months apart. Step 4, increase your income, legally reportable. Banks approve based on income plus debt. If you have side income, freelance income, or household income you can legally report, included. Higher income, lower risk to the bank. Step 5, choose the right card for your profile. Don't apply for a premium travel card if you're new to credit. If you're a beginner, start with secured cards, starter cards, student cards, then build up. Step 6, check pre-approval tools. Many banks offer soft pull pre-approval tools. This doesn't hurt your credit. Use it before applying. It dramatically increases your odds. Step 7, the secret rule, very important. Some banks have internal rules. For example, Chase has the unofficial 524 rule. If you've opened 5+ cards in 24 months, you'll likely be denied. Knowing these rules saves you from unnecessary rejections. Step 8, fix your credit report errors. Check your report for mistakes. Wrong late payments, incorrect balances, dispute them immediately. Even small errors can cause denial. Step 9, if you get denied, call Recon. Most people don't know this. If denied, call the reconsideration line. Be polite. Explain your income, payment history, and why you want the card. Many approvals happen this way. Credit card approval isn't luck, it's preparation. Improve your score, lower utilization, choose the right card, apply strategically. If you found this helpful, like the video and comment your credit score range. I'll tell you which type of card fits you best. And if you want a full breakdown of the best cards for beginners, watch this next video right here. Let's build your credit the smart way.